let's see the dashboard now here. So my 2 new jobs got created, but it is not deleting these older jobs. So let's say I want whatever is there in my Git repository, only keep those jobs, remove all the other jobs. So there is an option here which I can enable. Go to configuration, and inside the seed job you have to select this option. So you can see here action for removed jobs. So the job configuration which are removed from the Git, right now the default configuration is to ignore them, but what I want to delete those jobs also. You can also select disable if you want, but now I want to keep it clean. I will just delete the jobs which are removed from my Git configuration. So let's select this and let's try to build it manually this time. So right now my Git configuration says only to keep these 2 jobs, and I think it will remove these 2 different jobs which I created earlier using some different configuration. Let's this got triggered successfully. Let's try to refresh. Yeah, so you can see after refreshing only 2 jobs are present here, and let's say if I remove one more job, or if I let's say add one more job, similar thing will get reflected here. So let's try to check that out as well. So this time what I'll do, I will just add one more job with name, let's say job 3, and I will delete this one, job 1. Let's rename it as well. So this is job 3 and job 2. Job 1 is removed. Let's commit it. So I have pushed the changes now. Let's see what is happening on Jenkins. So this will automatically get triggered as I have added the poll SCM option. It will take, let's say, a minute to get rebuilt the moment it will detect any changes. So my new job got triggered here, this one. Let's see the logs. Yeah, so from the logs you can clearly see like one item got added, which was job 3. One was an existing item, which was job 2, because there was no change in that. And this was the unreferenced item because I removed the configuration for job 1. Job 1 is no longer present in my Git repository. So that's why it removed job 1. Let's see the dashboard. So you can see now I only have 2 jobs, job 2 and job 3. So by enabling that option, it will do a cleanup of the jobs which are no longer there in my Git repository. You can also select the disable option if you want. That is your choice. So till now we saw how we can combine multiple configurations in order to create multiple jobs in Jenkins, and how we can keep a sync between our Git repository and Jenkins, so that whatever the configurations are present in my Git repository, only those many jobs will be there in my Jenkins. But this doesn't seem that much interesting, because scaling via this way will be very difficult, because every time I have to copy paste my the complete configuration. So let's see how we can scale it a bit more further.